Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American supermarket. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a cashier, Mia, and her customers and coworker at the store. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When you pack a grocery bag, where do the heavy things go? On the top or on the bottom? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mia. You are early today.
Good morning, Leo. I wanted to set up my register slowly.
Good idea. Here, let me help you open the drawer.
Thanks. Is the money already counted?
Yes, I counted it this morning. You have the right amount.
Great. What about the receipt roll? Mine looks almost empty.
Let me check. Yeah, it is low. I will put a new one in for you.
Thank you so much. I always have trouble with that little door.
It is tricky. You push here, then the paper goes under.
Oh, I see it now. That is much easier than I thought.
There, your register is ready. Now you can open your lane.
Perfect. Is it going to be a busy day, do you think?
Very busy. Today is double coupon day.
Double coupon day? What does that mean exactly?
It means every coupon is worth 2 times more. People love it.
Wow, so many customers will come to save money.
Right, the lines will be long. Be ready to work fast.
I will try my best. This is only my second week, you know.
You are doing great. Oh, one more small tip for you.
Yes, please. I want to learn everything.
When a customer comes, say, "How are you doing today?"
But what if they're in a hurry? Is that okay to ask?
It's not a real question. It's just a friendly hello.
Oh, so I do not need a long answer from them.
No, they just say, "Good, thanks." And you? That's all.
That is good to know. I was worried about what to say.
Don't worry. You'll hear it 100 times today.
What else should I remember on a day like this?
Smile, stay calm, and keep the line moving. That's the secret.
Okay, smile and stay calm. I can do that.
And if a customer asks about coupons, just call me over.
I will. Thank you for helping me get ready this morning.
Anytime. That's what a good team does.
Look, a customer is already coming. Here we go.
Go for it. I'm right next to you if you need me.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. And you, young lady?
I am doing well, thank you. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I found everything. I come here every week, you know?
That is nice to hear. Let me scan your items now.
Take your time. I am not in a hurry today.
Do you have a member card with you?
Yes, I do. Here it is. I never leave home without it.
Perfect. Let me scan it first. This helps you save money.
I like the sound of that. How much do I save?
Look at this milk. The regular price is $5.
And with the card?
With your card, this milk is $2 less, so $3.
Oh, that is a good deal. I did not know that.
Many shelves show two prices. One is the member price.
I always wondered why there were two numbers on the sign.
Now you know. The lower one is only for members like you.
Very helpful. And I have some coupons here too.
Let me see them. Oh, this is great news for you.
Why is that? Is something special about today?
Yes, it is double coupon day, so you save more today.
Double? So my coupons are worth 2 times more?
Exactly. Your total is much lower than usual.
Well, this is my lucky day. Thank you, Mia.
You are very welcome. Your total is $12.
Here is my payment card. Everything is cheaper with a little planning.
That is so true. Small savings become big savings.
They do. My wife taught me that many years ago.
She sounds like a smart woman. Do you need any bags today?
Just one paper bag, please. I did not buy too much.
Here you go. I put the heavy cans at the bottom for you.
Thank you. You are very kind and careful.
I try my best. Here is your receipt.
Thank you, and have a good day. See you next week.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
Good, thank you. Sorry, my English is not very good.
No problem at all. You are doing just fine.
Thank you. I moved here last month. Everything is still new.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Let me scan your items.
Okay, I hope I have enough money for all this.
Do not worry. Your total is $30.
Good. I will pay with my card, please.
Sure. Just put your card in the machine here.
Like this? Okay, it is in.
Great. Would you like any cash back?
Cash back? But I did not buy any cash. What do you mean?
That is a good question. Let me explain it.
Yes, please. I am a little confused.
Cash back means you can get money from the register.
Money from the register? But I am paying, not you.
Right. Listen, you pay $30 for your food.
Yes, $30. I understand that part.
Now you can add more, maybe $20 more.
So I pay $50 in total.
Exactly. You pay $20 more and I give you $20 in cash.
Oh, so the extra money comes back to me as cash.
Yes, you do not need to go to a bank machine.
That is very smart. I always look for a bank machine.
Now you do not have to. Many people use this every day.
I did not know this was possible. Thank you for explaining.
Of course, everyone was new here once, including me.
That is kind of you to say. So how much cash can I get?
Usually, you can get up to $40 in cash.
Good to know. So would you like some cash back today?
That is my line, but yes, would you like some?
Yes, please. $20 would be very helpful.
Here you go. $20, and here's your receipt.
Thank you so much. I learned something new today.
That makes me happy. Come back anytime. Have a wonderful day. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is receipt, meaning a small paper that shows what you paid. For example, she gave me a receipt after I paid. The second word is coupon, meaning a paper that gives you a lower price. For example, I used a coupon to save money. The third word is scan, meaning to read a code with a machine. For example,
The cashier will scan each item.
The fourth word is register, meaning the machine where you pay in a store. For example, please bring your items to the register.
The fifth word is change, meaning the money you get back after you pay. For example, here is your change, $3.
Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Mia at the register.
Leo, can you help me for a second?
Sure. What is wrong? Your line is getting long.
I know, this box will not scan. I tried 3 times.
Let me see it. Yeah, the barcode looks damaged.
Right, the machine does not read it at all.
Do you know the price? Is there a sticker on it?
No, there is no sticker. That is the problem.
Okay, I need a price check on lane 3.
A price check? What does that mean exactly?
It means we find the real price before we sell it.
I see. So how do we find the price now?
I can look it up right here on the screen.
Oh, good. So you do not have to leave the lane.
No, I just typed the item name here. Give me 1 minute.
Thank you. I will scan the other things while you look.
Good plan. Do not let the line stop.
I will keep it moving. I do not like to make people wait.
You are doing fine. Okay, the price is $4.
$4. Perfect. Let me type it in by hand.
Yes, just enter it here. The machine will take it.
Done. It worked. Thank you so much, Leo.
Anytime. That happens a lot on busy days.
Really? I was afraid I broke the machine.
No, you did nothing wrong. Barcodes get damaged.
That is a relief. I did not know what to do.
Now you do. Just call for a price check.
I will remember that. It's a useful thing to know.
You are learning fast. The line looks good now.
Yes, it is moving well again, thanks to you.
It feels good to help. That's what teammates do.
It feels better to know someone can help me.
Always. Now let me get back to my own lane.
Go ahead. I can handle it from here.
Nice work. Back to my lane now.
Hi, Mia. Busy day today, huh?
Hi, Sam. Yes, it is very busy. How are you doing today?
Doing great, thanks. And you? Still smiling, I see.
Always. Let me scan your groceries. Paper or plastic?
Paper, please. I like the strong paper bags.
Good choice. I will pack them nicely for you.
You always do a great job with the bags.
Thank you. Heavy things go on the bottom, eggs on top.
Ah, so the cans do not break my bread and eggs.
Exactly. See? The cans go down first, like this.
That makes sense. I always put my eggs in wrong.
Now the bread and the eggs go on top, nice and safe.
You make it look easy. My bags at home always break.
Just keep the heavy cans low and you will be fine.
I will try that next time. Okay, let me pay now.
Wait 1 second, Sam. Do you have any coupons today?
Coupons? Oh, I have some in my bag, but never mind.
No, wait. You should really use them today.
Why today? Is there something special going on?
Yes, today is double coupon day. They are worth 2 times more.
Are you serious? Let me find them right now.
Take your time. I will wait for you.
Here they are. I almost forgot them in my pocket.
Perfect timing. Let me scan them for you.
This is wonderful. How much did I save?
You saved $8 in total today.
$8? You just made my whole day, Mia.
I'm so glad. It's good to check your pockets, right?
It really does. I almost walked out without them.
Next time, hand me your coupons before you pay.
Good advice. I will do that from now on.
Here is your receipt and your change, $3.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too, Sam. See you next time.
Well, Mia, we made it. The store is almost empty now.
Finally, my feet are so tired, but I feel good.
You should. That was a very busy day.
It really was. Double coupon day is really busy.
I told you the lines would be long.
You were right. I never stopped scanning all day.
But look around. Everyone left with a smile today.
That is true. People love saving a little money.
They do. A good deal makes anyone happy.
My favorite moment was Sam and his coupons.
Oh? What happened with him?
He almost forgot them. I reminded him just in time.
And he saved a lot, I bet.
$8. You should have seen his happy face.
That is the best part of this job, you know?
I agree. It is not only about the money.
Right. It's about helping people have a nice day.
I felt that today, even the new customer, Daniel.
The one who did not know about cashback?
Yes, he was so happy after I explained it.
You are getting good at this, Mia. Really good.
Thank you. I still have a lot to learn.
We all do, but you learn faster than most.
That means a lot coming from you. 2 weeks ago, I was so nervous.
I remember. Your hands were shaking on your first day.
They were. Now they only shake a little.
See? You're getting better. Every day gets easier.
It does, and the customers are kinder than I expected.
Most people are, if you smile first. Let me count my drawer.
Me too. The numbers should match, right?
They should. Take your time and count slowly.
Let me see. Yes, everything looks correct.
Mine is correct too. Then we are done for the day.
What a day. Busy, but a really good one.
The best kind of day. We helped a lot of people.
We did. That's the part I like most about this job.
Same here. Good job today, Mia.
Good job to you too, Leo. See you tomorrow. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When you pack a grocery bag, where do the heavy things go? On the top or on the bottom? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.